Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to restore apps icon back to default on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So just swipe down from the top and then tap on this gear icon, this settings, and then scroll down and then tap on this themes and then tap on this menu icon. After that, just tap on this My Stuff, this button, and then tap on this icons, this tab. So currently I have this pixelized D, this icon pack selected. You can see the check mark on it. Okay. So to restore apps icon back to default, you have to tap on this default icon pack. So let me tap on it. And I have this pop-up. Some apps may close and unsaved data may be lost. So if you have any unsaved data, just save it. And after that, just tap on this apply this button. So let me tap on this apply button. It's applying the default icon pack. So we need to wait. And you can see guys, apps icon is now back to the default one. Okay. So it's now done. After that, you can close your this themes app, and also you can close your settings app. So that's it. In this way you can easily restore apps icon back to default on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.